tutti. Thanks for joining me back in my little kitchen here in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco and today it's cold and miserable and rainy outside, so I'm staying indoors and making myself a nice soup for lunch. I'm going to make a lentil soup, quite a traditional recipe, but I'm going to do it my way, and I'm going to start it off with a sofritto of carrot, celery and onion. To that I'm going to add a little bit of garlic and a bit of chili, and the other flavors are going to be just a hint of thyme and a teaspoon of fennel seeds, which I always love to add to legumes, lentils, beans, anything like that, because it just makes them easier to digest. They're also great when you cook greens, and I'm going to add some chicory to mine. You can use any other leafy greens that you prefer, cabbage or kale or spinach, whatever you like. And I'm going to add a bit of potato in there to bulk it out, and that's going to be it. A simple Italian classic dish, and I hope you enjoy the recipe. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and do follow me for more. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need lentils, chicory or the leafy green that you prefer, potato, carrot, celery, onion, chili, garlic, thyme and fennel seeds.
you.